friends, I'm Kumar Vijendra and you are watching the career counseling series of Vidya Live, which highlights all the important aspects of different streams and careers so that students may choose the best one for themselves. Friends, in this video, Vidya Live will inform you about 10 popular management courses in India. Before starting the video, friends, Vidya Live seeks a small favor that will cost you nothing but will be a big morale booster for us. Please subscribe Vidya Live channel and press the bell icon so that you are immediately notified as soon as a new video is uploaded on the channel. Let me give you a reason for doing so. Friends, the motto of Vidya Live is to provide the right guidance related to education and career in a crisp manner. Now, let's come straight to the subject of this video. Friends, management studies in India have gained immense popularity over the years as more and more students are opting for courses in this field. The field of management covers a wide range of areas such as finance, marketing, human resources, operations, and more. The courses are designed to provide students with a strong foundation in management principles, leadership, and decision-making skills. Management studies offer a diverse range of opportunities for students to specialize in various areas of management and build successful careers in their chosen fields. With the increasing demand for skilled professionals in management, the field offers a promising future for those willing to put in the effort to excel in their careers. So, Vidya Live has compiled a list of 10 popular management courses in India so that management aspirants may choose the suitable course for themselves. Friends, now let's have a look at the list, which includes undergraduate and postgraduate management courses. Here is the list of 5 popular undergraduate management courses. First, Bachelor of Business Administration, that is BBA. BBA is a 3-year undergraduate program that provides students with a strong foundation in business management. The course covers subjects such as accounting, finance, marketing, human resources, and operations management. Second, Bachelor of Management Studies or BMS. BMS is a 3-year undergraduate course that offers specialization in areas such as finance, marketing, human resources, and operations management. The course covers subjects such as organizational behavior, business communication, and strategic management. Third, Bachelor of Business Management or BBM. BBM is a 3-year undergraduate program that offers specializations in areas such as finance, marketing, human resources, and operations management. The course covers subjects such as business ethics, business law, and entrepreneurship. Fourth, Bachelor of Business Administration in International Business. BBA in International Business is a 3-year undergraduate course that focuses on developing management skills for global business. The course covers subjects such as international marketing, global trade, cross-cultural management, and international finance. Fifth, Bachelor of Business Administration in Banking and Insurance. BBA in Banking and Insurance is a 3-year undergraduate program that focuses on developing management skills for the banking and insurance industry. The course covers subjects such as banking operations, insurance operations, risk management, and financial services. Now here is the list of 5 popular postgraduate management courses. First, Master of Business Administration or MBA. MBA is the most popular and prestigious management course in India. It is a 2-year postgraduate program that offers specialization in areas such as finance, marketing, human resources, operations, and international business. The course covers subjects such as accounting, economics, organizational behavior, strategy, and entrepreneurship. Second, Executive MBA or EMBA. EMBA is a specialized MBA course designed for working professionals with significant managerial experience. The course is usually completed in 1 to 2 years and covers topics such as leadership, strategy, innovation, and global business. Third, Postgraduate Diploma in Management or PGDM. PGDM is a 2-year management program that is equivalent to an MBA degree. The course is designed to provide students with a strong foundation in business management and offers specializations in areas such as finance, marketing, human resources, and operations. Fourth, Masters in Management Studies or MMS. MMS is a 2-year management course that is offered by universities in India. The course covers subjects such as finance, marketing, human resources, and operations management. Fifth, Postgraduate Program in Management or PGPM. PGPM is a 1-year management course designed for professionals who want to enhance their skills and knowledge in a particular field of management. The course offers specializations in areas such as finance, marketing, human resources, and operations management. So friends, this was the list of 10 popular management courses in India. If you are planning to undertake a course listed on the list, then pursue it with the dedication and hard work to achieve success in your chosen field. Vidya Live hopes that you liked the information in this video and appeals to you to hit the like button and give your feedback in the comment section. Do also share the video with your friends and family members. And also, don't forget to subscribe to Vidya Live on YouTube, like our Facebook page, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social media platforms to get the right guidance on education and career. Send us your questions or suggestions through the comment section or write to Vidya Live's official email ID info@vidyalive.com. Thanks for watching.